Hello, this is Remya. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making grilled vegetable sandwich and grilled cheese sandwich. Let's see how to make. Let's saute our vegetables. I'm just adding little bit oil. I got different colors of bell peppers: yellow, orange, green and red, and some onion and little bit cabbage. Let us saute the vegetables. I am adding the onions, cabbage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow and our orange bell pepper. Now I am adding salt, some pepper powder, some grill masala. Mix the vegetables very well. It's ready. I am turning off the flame. Let it cool down in room temperature. Now my kids are joining with me to make sandwiches.
Now we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. My brother is mixing the mozzarella and the filling. Now we're going to add 1 more tablespoon of cheese. So we added 3 tablespoons of cheese in all.
I want to mix it, and it's ready.
Let's make the sandwiches now. First, we're going to make the cheese sandwich for my brother. We're going to spread butter on both sides of the bread. Now the other slice.
Now the other slice.
Now we're going to add a slice of cheese.
Now we're going to have a slice of cheese.
Now we're going to make the veggie sandwich. Do the same process we did for the cheese sandwich. Now we're going to add the stuffing. That looks nice. Now, we're going to add the other slice. Let's grill the sandwiches now. First, we're going to grill the cheese sandwiches. Let's get grilling. Let's check if the grilled cheese sandwiches are ready. Oh my, it looks so delicious and crispy. Now, we're going to add the veggie sandwiches. Oh, the aroma of the sandwich is so good. It's ready. Now, let's take it out. Brother is going to try the super cheesy sandwich, and I'm going to try the colorful veggie sandwich. Let's try them. Oh, this is good.
It's yummy. I like the cheese sandwich.
I hope everybody liked our grilled sandwiches. Please like, subscribe, and share.